This guy has a super dude. Shut up. Let me record. Yeah, restart this.
Why?
Oh, that kid was annoying. He wanted to race me. That's why. And I crashed this car.
A lot. It's okay. That looks cool. I'm not lying. It looks cool. It looks cool.
यार ये डिजाइन कैसे cool लगा है तुमको? Let's use the BMW. People, it's gonna go famous. I promise you, it's gonna go famous. Okay, not promise, but I know it's gonna go famous.
You say so? It's recording.
Okay, so.
It's recording.
I'm gonna just do drift. Okay, for you? I'm recording for you, and I'm only gonna do drift.
Okay. Cut.